Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Eva Khairunisa from UIN Wali Songo, Semarang. In this opportunity, I would like to present the result of my research entitled The Comparison Result of Logistic and Profit Regression on Factors of Women Criminal. There is outline in my research. The background of my research is logistic and profit regression are statistical methods that have the same is to determine predictor variables affect the categorical response variable. They have different function, but from reference studies, they have advantages and disadvantages on certain cases. So, I want to apply the two models on women criminal data. Why women criminal data? Because the crime rate by women in Central Java is still high, like this in the Semarang women's prisons. So, I want to compare the result of logistic and profit regression, and finally, we can obtain the factors that influence women criminal. The research was conducted with theoretical and application approach. The theoretical approach means parameter estimation of logistic and profit regression with maximum likelihood estimation. And the application approach means the logistic and profit regression modeling on data of women criminal. The data were collected using a questionnaire in the Semarang women prison. There is flowchart in analysis of my research. And there are variables in my research. The dependent variable is woman criminal, and the independent variables are age, education level, marital status, profession, invitation to commit a crime, psychological disorders, and religiosity level. There are categories on variables. The result of my research is the first is the logistic regression. Estimation of logistic regression parameters using maximum likelihood estimation followed by Newton-Raphson. And the testing parameters simultaneously using the likelihood ratio and partially using the word test. The model and the probability function of specific woman criminal and general woman criminal, we can say on this slide. The women criminal are affected by 17 to 25 years old, elementary education level, and unemployed or housewife. The same in logistic regression. The parameter estimation on profit regression using likelihood ratio estimation, and the parameter testing using the word test and the likelihood ratio. We can see the profit regression model and the probability function for women criminal of specific crimes and generic crimes on this slide. Table 2 shows there is the same of factor influence the woman criminal of logistic and profit regression. Therefore, both models are appropriate in explaining the case of woman criminal. Finally, we can obtain the best model with AIC criteria. From table 3, we can say that profit regression is the best model because it has the smallest AIC. We can state that factors affect the woman criminal are age, educational level, and marital status. So we can conclude that logistic regression and profit are appropriate in determining the influencing factors on women criminal. The factors resulting from the two models are relatively the same. However, the best model for the case of women criminal is profit regression because it has the smallest AIC. By using profit regression, factors that influence women criminal are age, education level, and marital status. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.